Focal Point is a widely used tool for agile product management, portfolio management, project portfolio management, and pure project management. The tool is so multifaceted, as can be seen on this dashboard. It has a tendency to grassroots through an organization and can be used for so many different organizational tasks. There are an unlimited set of charts, red, yellow, green indicators, statuses, etc., that can be checked in a matter of seconds about the health of the enterprise. Focal Point comes with a project management module, and it's totally customizable to your business process model, the BPM. In this example project, we are tracking many facets like milestones, quotes, orders, contacts, contract vehicles, service level agreements, and so forth. Too many to want to scroll through them all the time, so I've created a filter to show us only the items we want to work with today. One of the key features that project managers love and live by is Focal Point's auto notification feature. This feature can alert users of the status of any kind of important information about a project, an issue, a risk, action item, status, or whatever. In our example, we want to be auto-notified whenever it has been over 33 days since the estimate at complete review date has been updated. Here we see the attributes that make that triggering mechanism happen. We have the estimate at completion review date here. We have today's date here. This attribute, days 34 update, looks at today's date, subtracts the EAC review date from it, and posts the result here in days. This attribute, days since update, its purpose is if days since update is greater than 33, set this indicator to a 1 and let it trigger emails to be sent out. Now let me show you the notification setup process. First, we'll go to the notification module where the list is that we already have the ones that are defined. At the bottom is the one we want to look at today, the EAC update notice. And a description is there. The view that triggers it is listed here. When was the last time it ran? Last night at 2:45 a.m. Now, if we edit it, we go there. And we see the form that we fill out in order to set it up so that it'll do what we want it to do. To activate it, you click the little box there for the button. It has a name, a description, and the view that triggers it is this view, EAC 34 days since update. The trigger is going to look every day to see if it's ready to be triggered. And you can set when you want it to run, every day, Monday, Tuesday, monthly, whatever. And you just pick it. And then who are we going to send it to? Well, in this case, I've selected an attribute called Project Manager, and whoever's listed in that attribute in the project will get the email. You can select other attributes, and you could also select a view that will pull up multiple names. I can copy, I can blind copy, and then I can set up the customization piece of it, such as the subject matter of the email that's going to come out to me, the header information that indicates you need to update this thing, the type of description that you want to lay out, brief, normal, detailed, or you want to customize it completely for the email itself, and then a footer. Now, I'll show you the email that I got. It comes out and it says it's from Focal Point, and here's the description. You haven't updated since 34 days. Here's a link to that particular project that needs attention, and so you want to go there and manage that piece of it. So if we look at the project view that we're talking about, letting this be triggered, that EAC 34 days since update, we see a definition here. And the definition says, look at all elements in the project module with the following rules. That days since update is a 1, and project state is in progress, or warranty maintenance period, or project is completed. If that is true, it'll trigger and it'll go out and look, and if it finds one, it'll bring up the project ID and the project manager. Now let's trigger that. As we do so, you can see that it brings up the project that has a problem that needs to be addressed, and it'll send an email to, in this case, me, about this particular project. Thanks for watching. Here are some links that you can go find more information, and we'll talk to you another time.